Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students of class 1? I hope you are well. Due to coronavirus, all of you are at home. Nobody comes to school these days. But learning is very important for you. We want you to continue your studies at home. So we have sent you homework of all subjects. You have to do this homework in these holidays. Now I am going to explain you homework of English of class 1. You have to listen carefully to understand what to do in each question. 5 questions have been written in this homework. Now I am reading and making you understand all these questions. Question number 1. We would like to know about you, so write at least 6 to 8 sentences describing yourself. Draw a picture of yourself also. Question number 2. We know that you know a lot of words. Now go through the word bank of yours and write the names of at least 6 words that start with vowels A, E, I, O, U. Question number 3. Make at least 3 sentences in which the names of these emotions can be used. Number 1, happy. Number 2, sad. Number 3, angry. Number 4, cold. Number 5, cry. Question 4. Make 10 sentences that start with this. Question 5. Make 10 sentences that start with these. Now I am going to explain each question one by one. Comes to question number 1. In this question, students, you have to write 6 to 8 sentences describing yourself. Means you have to write about yourself. You can describe yourself with the help of given points. Number 1, your name. Every person has a name, every student has a name. If you are Abdullah, you write I am Abdullah. If you are Uzma, you write I am Uzma. If you are Asad, you write I am Asad. So in the first line you have to write your name. Secondly, you have to write your age. How old are you? If you are 6, you write I am 6 years old. Your gender. Third one is your gender. Are you a boy or a girl? In this sentence you have to write about your gender. If you are a boy, you write I am a boy. If you are a girl, you write I am a girl. Third one is that appearance. What is your appearance? If you have short hair, you write I have short hair. If you have long hair, you write I have long hair. You can also write about your eyes. If you have gray eyes, you write I have gray eyes. Number 5. What about your family? How many brothers and sisters do you have? If you have 2 brothers and 1 sister, you write I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. What about your father? What does he do? If he is a doctor, you write my father is a doctor. If your mother is a housewife, you write my mother is a housewife. Number 6, place where you live. Where do you live? If you live in Fazal Town, you write I live in Fazal Town. If you live in Gulzar-e Qaid, you write I live in Gulzar-e Qaid. If you live in Fazal Town, another place, Shah Khalid, you write I live in Shah Khalid. Number 7, your likes and dislikes. Every person has likes and dislikes. If you like playing football, you write I like playing football. If you like playing cricket, you write I like playing cricket. If you are a girl and you like playing with your dolls, you write I like playing with my dolls. Now you can write 6 to 8 sentences about yourself easily, inshallah. Now comes to question number 2. We know that you know a lot of words now. Go through the word bank of yours and write the names of at least 6 words that start with vowels A, E, I, O, U. As a teacher, I know you have learned a lot of words in prep class, starting with A, E, I, O, U. Some examples are given below. A words. Apple starts with A. X starts with A. You can add more words. Okay. E words. Air starts with E. Elephant starts with E. You can add more words with E sound. Now think and write words starting with I, O and U. You have to write only 6 words in your notebook. Now comes to question number 3. Make at least 3 sentences in which the names of these emotions can be used. Number 1, happy. Number 2, sad. Number 3, angry. Number 4, cold. Number 5, cry. Here you have to make sentences with these words. 2 model sentences have been made for you. Number 1, happy. I am happy to see my friends. Sad. My friend is sad because he has lost his ball. Now try to make sentences on your own and write in your notebook. Now comes to question number 4. Make 10 sentences that start with this. Examples. This is a basketball basket. This is a pencil. Remember, you always use is and singular nouns with this. Now comes to question number 5. Make 10 sentences that start with these. Here you have to make 10 sentences with these. Examples. These are books. These are boys. Remember, you always use are and plural nouns with these. Here students, I have made you understand all the questions of your homework. I hope you will do your homework easily, inshallah. Take care of your handwriting while doing this homework. Formation of letters should be correct. Your work should be neat and clean. Jazakallah. Thanks for watching this video.